Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the route and activity style on the OS Maps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. And after that, you should tap on Preferences in the middle and click on Route and Activity Styles. Here you can select route line styling or activity line styling at the top, and then you should select the line color, the line thickness, and the line transparency on this slide can be adjusted. If you tap on the second button at the top, you can select the same for activity line styling, and if you are done with adding these changes, click on the Save button down below, and then the route and activity styles will be updated automatically. So if you want to change them, just come back to this section and click on the relevant one and tap on Save. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.